Today's a monumental day not only because it's November 1st and it's the unofficial start of the Christmas season, but we got word today that Andy Stone has voluntarily dismissed his lawsuit against the Queen of Christmas herself, Mariah Carey. You may recall that back in June, Andy Stone, aka Vince Vance, pursued a copyright infringement lawsuit against Mariah Carey related to her hit Christmas song, All I Want for Christmas Is You. Andy Stone also had a song called All I Want for Christmas Is You that was released in 1990, and her song was released in 1994. And while both songs are stylistically and melodically very different, the premise of the lawsuit was that both songs shared the exact same title and both had similar lyrics to one another. I've talked about this case before on the IP Professor, and I've always posited the position that this case never stood a chance. There is never a world where copyright protection is extended to titles, and certainly references to common Christmas sayings or doings like references to Christmas trees, tinsel, sleigh, All I Want for Christmas Is You. Those are too general to be protected under copyright law. Not to mention, Andy Stone pursued this case nearly 20 years after the fact, after All I Want for Christmas Is You by Mariah Carey was released. And all of a sudden, he said that he heard it for the first time. Nothing added up with this case. Well, sure enough, on behalf of Andy Stone, his attorneys filed this notice of voluntary dismissal, stating that they were dismissing this case in its entirety without prejudice, meaning that Andy Stone can never sue Mariah Carey about copyright infringement related to the song ever again. Now, we don't know if there was a settlement between Mariah Carey and Andy Stone, but I'm going to hedge my bets that this case was dismissed because this was complete trash. Follow the IP Professor for more related content.